Good morning, students. Now let us continue with our 13th chapter in GK, which is Matters of Mathematics. Here are some fill in the blanks which will make you know some of the most important topics, that is, most important information you should know about mathematics. Okay, the first one is, which numeral system has 10 as its base? It is decimal system, it is called. Okay, which numeral system has 2 as its base? Means it is called binary system. 1 mile is equal to how many kilometers? It is exactly equal to 1.6 kilometer. Which Arabic word is the word 0 derived from? It is sifr, SIFR. Okay, then what is the name given to the polygon figure with 4 sides and 4 angles? It is called quadrilateral. QUADRILATERAL, quadrilateral. Okay, then sixth one, the word mathematic is derived from which language? Means it is derived from Greek language, GREEK. What is a part of a circle referred to as? It is referred to as arc, ARC. Okay, what term is given to the measurement of a surface? It is area. What is a regular solid having 6 square faces? Known as, it is cube. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? Means 10 millimeter. Which civilization developed numbers based on letters of alphabets? Greek. Okay. Who built the first electronic calculating machine? John V. Atanasov. Okay. JOHN.V.ATANASOFF. Okay. Then what is the largest whole number? Means it is infinity. Okay. INFINITY. A circle has how many degrees? Totally it has 360 degrees. What name is given to an angle less than 90 degree? If it is less than 90 degree, means it is called acute angle. ACUTEANGLE. What is the angle which is less than 180 degree and more than 90 degree referred to as? It is obtuse angle. OBTUSC angle. Okay. What is the angle of 90 degree known as? Right angle. Okay. What is 0 multiplied by infinity? If 0 multiplied by 1 is also 0, 0 multiplied by 10 is also 0. Likewise, any number into 0, it is 0. You already know. I don't consider the other number, just only consider 0. If any number multiplied by 0 means the answer will be always 0. If it is 1 or 10 or infinity, that doesn't matter. Okay. So, if it is given infinity, don't get confused. Any number into any number, 0 into any number, you will get always 0 only. Okay. The shape of a kite is similar to which geometric figure? It is rhombus, RHOMBUS. Which word used in common language is actually a unit of 1 by 10th of a second? It is jiffy, JIFFY. Okay. Now, the 14th chapter is the question bank. Okay, let us see some general questions which we should know the answer of. Why is a wire net used as a fly flapper or fly swat? Because a wire net produces the sucking effect because it allows the air to pass through its holes. That's why flies are sucked into it. Okay, then after that, why is a small space left between each set of two rails of a railway lane? As the train moves, heat is produced due to friction leading to expansion of the rails. If no space is left, they will bend. So that only small spaces between the each set of two rails of a railway lane is, see, gap is very important. Okay, the gap between the two tracks are very important. Why does a candle flame look blue at the center? Why? Flames are the highest temperature at the center and hence they are blue. Okay, see, in the center it will be blue because of the highest temperature will be in the middle of the flame. That's why it is blue in the middle. Okay, highest temperature is denoted as blue color. Okay. Why does milk turn sour? Milk turns sour due to the action of bacteria. After see, when we add little bit of lactic acid in a milk, then it will turn into curd. Okay, so if we don't add lactic acid also, some other bacteria will be always working on milk. Okay, so if we keep it in the freezer, then it will be fresh for just 1 day, or we can say 2 days. More than that, if you keep it in the freezer also, the bacteria will get start acting upon, and the milk gets spoiled, or we can say it turns into sour. Okay, when it turns into sour itself, it is spoiled only. Okay, then why does water put on fire? Because water does not allow the flames to come in contact with air and get oxygen. Okay, see, when fire is burning, when it gets more oxygen, it will be burning more and more. Okay, so water just to stop the supply of oxygen for that fire. It just stops the supply of oxygen. That's why when it doesn't get oxygen, when it doesn't get any air, then the fire will be put off automatically. That's why we use water to put out the fire. Okay, then why are flowers kept in their stems immersed in water? Okay, see, in a bouquet shop, if you see, if you take a basket, before they're making bouquet for us, they'll be keeping it in the water. The stems of the flower will be kept in the water. Why? Why is it like that? So, see, after plucking it from the plant, the flower will all automatically get spoiled, or dried, we can say. So, to keep it fresh, we use water. This is so that the flower can derive water and nutrients by osmosis and stay fresh. See, what does a plant do? It will absorb water from the ground and it will grow, right? So, stems also have the capacity to absorb water, not only the roots. Okay, but stems cannot absorb the water always. If you keep it for more than 3 to 4 days, then automatically the freshness will be gone. Okay, but root is the only thing which has a capacity to absorb water from the soil all the years when it's the plant is living. Okay, on if you cut the stem from the root, then if you keep the stem in the water, then it has the capacity for some hours, okay, to be fresh. So daily we'll go and someone will go and buy that flowers, right? So for that, for 1 day, if it is fresh, that's enough. Okay, that's why they cut that stem from the root and they'll just place the stem in the water. But stems can also absorb the water till some hours. Okay, so that the flower stems are kept in the water. They can get nutrients from water and stay fresh. Why does a piece of ice make a drink cold? Just see, when when we drink some lemonade, we'll just put 2 cubes or 1 cube of ice, right? Just 1 cube of ice is enough to cool that whole glass of lemon juice, lemonade, right? So, how is that possible? As the temperature of the ice is very low and that of the liquid is high, the liquid loses its heating, leading to decrease in its own temperature. See, let us take some other example. See, if you have AC in your house, okay, in let us say if it is in bedroom, okay, so before switching on the AC, the bedroom's temperature will be more than our body's temperature, right? It will be somewhat 37 degrees, 38 degrees. Let us take the example in summer. Okay, in summer and in one afternoon, if we take, the temperature will be approximately equal to 37 or 38 degrees Celsius, right? Now, as soon as you on the AC, what will happen? The room's temperature will be starting decreasing. Temperature will start decreasing, right? So how is it possible? The whole room's temperature is controlled by that AC, right? Like the same way, the whole glass temperature, the lemonade's temperature, will be controlled by 1 cube of ice, because ice's temperature is very very less than the temperature of the lemonade, right? So that is, heat will be cooled down. That's the important point you should know. Okay. Next, what causes winds? The pressure and temperature difference between places causes winds. Okay, see, they say near the beach and in the sand area. Okay, so in the beach, the near the beach, the winds will be very high, right? So from that beach, the air will be flowing in the low pressure area. See, beach has high pressure because of wind blows there very strongly. Okay, that's why from there the air will blow into the low pressure area. So the difference between the pressure will cause the winds. Okay, why are flowers usually colorful? Why flowers are usually colorful? So that bees get attracted to them and help transfer the pollen. Okay, why does the surface of the smooth road appear wet under hot sun? Under the hot sun, the different layers of air differs in temperature, so their density also differs, causing a mirage effect. Okay, see, if the road is smooth also, when it is in sun, when it is wet in the hot sun, because of the different layers of air present in the road, it will cause different temperature, and also the density changes. That's why you will face the wet road when it is under hot sun. Which mirror are used as automobile headlights or torch lights? It is concave mirror is used, because concave mirror shows the larger part of area into the smaller mirror, so it is used, see, to take a wider view behind a person driving. Concave mirrors are best because it shows the larger amount of area behind the man who is driving, who can easily understand whether a vehicle is coming back or not. From the distance also he can just see in the mirror itself. Okay, so that's why concave mirrors are used. Why are some clothes not to be washed in hot water? Why? This is because they are made of vegetable dye and may bleed in patches if washed in hot water. That means the color will be fading when it is dyed in with a vegetable dye. Okay. Why do we not feel the movement of the earth? This is because we are also moving along with the earth. See, if we stay still, then also it is very tough for us to feel the movement of the earth, because we are not just the small part of the dust in the earth. We are very very small. So see, for example, you take a globe. Okay, you just stick one small bindi, let us say, okay, for the sake of learning. So when you slowly turn the globe, the bindi will also be moving. So we cannot say the globe is not moving because the bindi is not moving, because both are moving. So we both are moving simultaneously, so we cannot see the only movement of earth there. Okay, that's why we cannot see the movement of the earth. Okay, why is mercury used in thermometers? Mercury is a good conductor of heat and expands uniformly on heating. Okay, it is a good conductor, that's why it is used in thermometers. Why is kerosene oil poured on stagnant water to eradicate malaria? Kerosene, being lighter than water, floats over water and does not allow all the mosquitoes to breed. Okay, see, if near your house, if there is a more attack of the mosquitoes, then what you should do? Mosquitoes breeding will be always on the stagnant water. தண்ணி எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் தேங்கி இருக்கோ அது மேலே தான் கொசுக்கள்லாம் வந்து ப்ரீட் பண்ணும். ஸோ வாட் யூ ஷுட் டூ, இஃப் யூ ஹேவ் kerosene in your house, just pour 1/4 liter, let us say 1/4 liter. If you pour it, what will happen means kerosene has lesser density than water. So you already know the one which has lesser density will be floating on water, right? So kerosene will be floating on water. Only the mosquito needs only water to breed, not other liquids. It will not use to breed. Okay, it cannot breed on other liquids. So when we pour kerosene on water, kerosene only will be floating on water, so water will be not visible to the mosquitoes. That's why it cannot breed. Okay, why is it easier to roll a barrel than to pull it along the road? Why it is easy to roll it? See, let us take the example of this pencil. See, if this is very heavy, let us say, so we'll be easily rolling it like this, but we cannot pull it like this and go, right? Let us take the example of cylinder. You cannot carry always, right? So you will be, let us take this as cylinder, then what you should do, like this you will take it, right? It will be very easy than pulling it all the way. Why it is done so? Because more area of the barrel comes in touch with the earth while dragging, so there is no friction. In rolling there is less friction. Here it is more friction and here it is less friction. Friction means, just see, I kept this pencil here, so I am having a hand on it, right? So when we just roll it, the more part of the pencil is contacted with the table. Therefore, the contact between this and the pencil will be called as friction. If we have more friction, it is very easy to move. But if I lift this pencil up, see, you can lift the pencil, but you cannot lift the barrel, right? Barrel will be very heavy. For that, you cannot lift the barrel and go, right? So because it has no contact with the earth, that's why it is very heavy. It is very tough to move it like this. But if you do this like this, when you roll the barrel and go, it will be very easy because it has more friction. If we have more friction, then we have easiest way to move that object. Okay, then what is chemotherapy? The treatment of diseases such as cancer using chemical substances is called chemotherapy. How is a person able to shake on ice? Why doesn't he or she slip as soon as he or she stands? The weight of the body on the edges of the skates makes the ice under the edges of the skates melt and checks slipping. Okay, why is a tea set made of clay and not metal? Because metal is good conductor of heat and electricity, so metal will get heated up very easily, so you cannot touch it, right? You can only touch it with having a gloves, a sticker gloves, or a cloth. Okay, but all the time you cannot use that, right? So when you use clay instead of metal, clay is not at all a good conductor of electricity and heat, right? So if it is good conductor only, it will get heated up. But if it is a bad conductor, then it will not get heated up, so you can touch it with your hands, right? Metal are good conductors and of heat, so tea in a metallic tea set gets hot or cold very soon. Also, not only it will become the metal part will become hard, but also it will get cooled down very easily. We want to drink tea after 3 hours also, right? We have prepared it now and we'll drink it after 3 hours also, so it should be warm also, right? So on the other hand, clay is a bad conductor of heat, so the tea remains hot longer. Okay, why does a red flower look red? It absorbs all the color of light except red one, so it looks red. What is liquid air? This is a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. These gases are compressed into a liquid form. This is called liquid air. Okay, what is pasteurization? This is very easily we can relate it to milk production. The process of heating of a liquid to a certain temperature for a period of time and then cooling it immediately after to kill the bacteria present in the liquid is known as pasteurization. Curd, milk, all these are packed using the process pasteurization, so that milk and curd will not get spoiled easily. A man descending by parachute descends slowly. Why? Air pushes against the parachute as it falls to earth and slows it down. See, if he is diving like this, the air from the earth will be pushing the parachute up again. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction, they say in Newton's third law. Okay, that's why. See, if he is doing an action like this, then an equal reaction will be happening in the opposite side. Therefore, the air will be pushing the parachute again up. But due to his weight of the body, again the parachute will come down. So, both the actions are happening simultaneously, so that the parachute will be descending down slowly. Okay, it cannot, in a fraction of second you cannot land from the top to the ground. It will not be possible. It will take some time. It will land slowly only. Okay. What is criminology? A branch of science that studies the nature, extent, and causes and control of criminal behavior is known as criminology. How is electric current carried to off far places? Electric current travels by the flow of electrons through conductors. Okay. See, we have electric cables, right? So the electrons will be moving from one place to another, so that we can get electricity in the far places also. It will be supplied. The electricity is nothing but the moving of electrons. Just keep it in mind. Okay.